Hello, today is a special edition for me uh, because this is my laptop which I bought last year and it was under warranty, so I couldn't open it and clean it. Today I will do that. um, and I want to make sure that the video is at best quality possible. Okay, this is one HP 15 series. Let me see, 15 ba-001nq. So remove the battery first, then let it on this side. You have to remove 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 2 under the rubber bands here. Start from the left corner. One, two, three. I cannot get it out. 4, 5, 6, 8, 6, 7, 8. Sorry. 9, 10. I don't want to do this, but I need to remove this rubber band, and there is one screw under this one and one screw under the other one. Put them aside because I think they are not the same like the other ones, and do not lose them. Okay, now turn it around to remove all the remaining screw. Like that, I have two more that I need to remove. One and the other one doesn't want to get out. I'll take a magnet and I'll take it out. Okay, that's all of them, I believe and I think. Now remove the dvd-rom drive, turn it around, open it, be careful. As you can see here, there are some clips, plastic clips, that needs to, you need to take them one by one. Start from this corner, put your hand like this and press down from the frame, then continue toward the up and let me take a plastic tool that I made myself from a piece of plastic, put it underneath and on the edge of the laptop, push this around the edge of the laptop to unclip the case. Be careful not to break anything. As I told you, this is my laptop that I bought last year and I don't want to break anything, so I'll make it as slow as possible. Looks like it's working great so far. Looks like my phone is ringing. Let me stop it. Okay, stop it. Oh, sorry, I forgot to move the camera. Move around the edge and slowly push it like this. Up, put up, put up, up. I'm on this side now and I need to up, 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 up. Okay, after you've done that, turn it around and carefully remove this top cover. Be careful not to break anything. Okay, and this is it, the laptop. Oh, it's pretty dusty. I'm glad that I have opened it to actually clean it, and I've done this because not only because of the cleaning but because of the hard drive itself. It's a very bad hard drive. I don't know what kind of hard drive it is. I believe it's a small one, and I hope that my SSD enters here. um I want to mount an SSD. It's a DDR4 edition of this laptop, and I want to take a picture of my RAM to know what kind of RAM I need to buy in order to upgrade it and to work in the dual channel. Okay, this is the hard drive, this is the chipset, I think, and I believe this is the video card, and this is how you open it. Now I will remove the chipset to actually clean it, and the hard drive I will change it later. I don't care if this laptop breaks. Of course I care, but I cannot stay forever with fear that everything is going to break because are poorly made. And this is why I want to clean it. It's dusty, and it has problem with high temperature. So you have 6 screws here, and I believe one is here on the cooler and one on this side. It's a nice motherboard, I must say. I will not do anything more than cleaning this. Oh, there is a little bracket under the cooler, so as you see, it's dusty here, it's dusty here, and it needs to be cleaned once in a while. My advice: to clean your laptops 2 times per year or once time per year, if you don't want to. So I have I think 1 minute left of filming, and be careful not to break anything because there are small things on motherboard and you don't want to break them because it will not work anymore. So this is the chipset. As you can see, the pasta is very solid, is old. I'm glad that I opened it and that I will clean it. I don't want to harm this laptop, and I don't want to happen anything to it. It's an AMD, it's not the great one, but it's mine, so I need to keep it running. I need to clean the chipset first. It's ugly that they don't have that normal socket anymore. It's risky this way. You can also break the CPU and the GPU. It was safer on the old method with sockets, but hey, I don't make laptops, so they know better. Yeah, I cannot show you any more in this video because it will end. Pretty much you clean this and this, clean the dust out of the laptop, put everything back as it was, put this back on top, and put the press for the clips to pop in, and put the DVD driver, and then